Let's talk about theme for corporate standards in Power BI. A theme in Power BI refers to a set of predefined colors, fonts, and other visual settings that can be applied to reports to ensure the consistency and adherence to corporate branding guidelines. Implementing a corporate theme ensures that all the reports and dashboards reflect the organization's branding standards. So how can we do it? So first of all, if I go in the Power BI screen and over here I have got the options of themes under view. Here you can browse from multiple themes that are present. So for example, if you are creating a new report page and if you want to put any theme on the top of it, so I can easily select any theme. For example, right now I'm having this theme, which is the custom theme that I created. I don't want to use this theme, and in place of it, I want to use the innovative theme. I can click over here. And now you can see it has changed the whole report page for me. You can again click on these themes and you can see that I have got a list of themes, which are basically divided as accessible themes, the Power BI themes. And over here, I have got the options like tidal, temperature, twilight, storm, sunset. So I will select some of these themes. You can see how the text changes, the font type changes, also how the color is changing for each of my visual. I will again roll back to the theme that I previously did. Now, if you are having any kind of theme which is saved in your desktop, so how are these saved? First, I'll talk about that. So whenever you go for the browse for themes option, over here, you can see that I am having a particular theme which is in the form of the JSON file. So whenever you are creating any theme, it would be saved as the JSON file. So I can select that particular theme if it is in my local desktop and I can click on open and this would open my theme file for me. Again, click over here on the themes. If you are not able to find a suitable theme for your particular report, what you can do is you can go in this theme gallery as well. As you go in this theme gallery, it would open a web page for you, which would be the community.fabric.microsoft.com. And here you can find multiple themes. So let's say I'm creating a report page and I want to use this particular theme, which is basically the Superstore dashboard. I can click over here. It would then show me how the visuals would look like. So you can see this would be how my visuals would be looking like. So we are already working with the global Superstore dataset, but we haven't created a perfect report or dashboard for it. So I can easily use this theme and maybe modify it in terms of the colors, in terms of the fonts that I want, but all the visuals would be showing by this particular. If you like this theme, what you can do is you can scroll down and here you will be getting an option to use this file. So you can download it with the help of this option. Click over here and then just download it by using the save option. Then when you need to import it, you can go in this option of themes. Over here, you can use the option of browse for themes, and then you can navigate to the folder where you have downloaded that theme. Now I don't want to use that theme which I downloaded from internet. I want to use this particular theme in the upcoming report of mine. For that, I can click over here, scroll down, and I can use the save current theme option. If you click over here on save current theme option, you can then rename this theme. So let's say I'm renaming it as Superstore, and it would then ask me by which file type do you want to save it. So the themes file are saved by the JSON format. I can click on save and this would save that file for me. Whenever you are creating a new report, you just have to go in the file and the blank report option, and there you can then import your theme by the help of this particular browse for themes option. Also, let's say that before exporting this theme, you want to customize it a bit. You can go in this customize current theme option. Here you can find the options like the colors, how the different colors would look like. For example, if you are making a visual which shows the positive value, the negative values, and the neutral values, these would be the colors that would be used. If you are using the values like maximum, minimum, and the median values, these would be the colors that would be shown. You can also go in the advanced option and this would show you the different color elements. If you go to the text option, this would show you the general text option as well as the font size. So let's increase the font size from over here. I'm keeping the font size as 14 for now, and I can even change the font color. So let me click on apply for now. And you can see the font size has now changed. Again, I will go in the customize current theme option. Here I have also got the option of changing the text of the titles, their size and color, the card and KPIs, and the tab headers. If I talk about the visuals, You can also put any background color in the visuals. So let's put a background color for now and click on apply. Since I have already applied the background color individually, that's why it is not showing. But if you create a new visual, that particular background color would show. Then if you want to provide any borders, the headers, or the tooltips color, you can easily do it with these options. Then if I go to the page option, here you can provide any wallpaper and the page color background by default. Then we also have the option of customizing the filter pane for the available filters card and for the applied filters card individually. So this is how we can customize our current theme, save that current theme, and also import that theme. If you are not able to import that theme and you want any new theme, you can always browse for themes and you can download it from the internet and then import it into your report. In the next session, we will be talking about how can you save this template. And by template, I mean the visual elements that are present in this screen to be reused into any other report. Thank you.